Are you struggling with constant mucus buildup, shortness of breath, or lingering respiratory issues? You're not alone. Millions of people suffer from lung-related problems, whether it's due to pollution, seasonal allergies, or chronic conditions, like COPD. But what if I told you that nature provides powerful remedies that can help you breathe easier? In today's video, we're diving into 10 potent herbs that have been used for centuries and backed by modern research to clear mucus, improve lung function, and fight respiratory infections. Some of these herbs have been shown to relieve congestion, boost the immune system, and even support oxygen flow in the lungs. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end. One of these herbs may surprise you. Now, before we get started, just a quick reminder. We are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. If you have any underlying health conditions, always consult with your healthcare provider before trying any new herbal remedies. And if you find this video helpful, please do me a huge favor. Hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and allows us to keep creating content like this. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on powerful natural health tips. All right, let's jump right in. Here are the top 10 herbs for lung health, mucus removal, and better breathing. Herb number 1, ginseng, the lung-boosting powerhouse. First on our list is ginseng, a powerful herb that has been used in traditional Asian medicine for centuries. But what makes it so effective for lung health? Studies show that ginseng contains potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce lung inflammation and enhance oxygen flow. This is crucial for anyone dealing with respiratory issues like asthma, bronchitis, or COPD. And speaking of COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, did you know it's the third leading cause of death in the United States? It affects millions of people worldwide, making it a major health concern. The good news: clinical studies have found that COPD patients who take ginseng experience improvements in breathing and overall lung function. In simple terms, ginseng helps the lungs work more efficiently, making it easier to breathe. How to use ginseng for lung health? Ginseng tea. Brew dried ginseng root for a natural lung-boosting drink. Capsules or extracts, convenient options available in health stores. Powdered form. Add it to smoothies or warm water. Precautions. While ginseng is considered safe for most people, it may interact with certain medications. Always consult your doctor before taking it, especially if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, or take blood thinners. That's just the beginning. Let's move on to herb number 2, which has incredible benefits for clearing congestion and improving oxygen circulation. Herb number 2, osha root, the oxygen booster. Next on our list is osha root, a lesser-known but incredibly powerful herb for lung health and respiratory function. Native to the Rocky Mountains, this herb has been used by Native American tribes for centuries to boost lung capacity, clear congestion, and enhance oxygen flow. So what makes osha root so special? Increases oxygen circulation. Osha root helps improve blood flow to the lungs, ensuring that oxygen is more efficiently delivered throughout your body. If you ever feel short of breath or struggle with low energy levels due to poor oxygenation, this herb might be worth trying. Natural antihistamine. It contains compounds that help reduce allergic reactions, making it beneficial for people who suffer from seasonal allergies, asthma, or sinus infections. Clears mucus and congestion. One of osha root's most powerful benefits is its ability to act as an expectorant, meaning it helps break down and expel mucus from the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. How to use osha root for lung health. Osha root tea. Add a few dried roots to hot water and steep for a natural lung-cleansing tea. Tinctures or extracts. A few drops can be added to water or juice. Steam inhalation. Boil osha root and inhale the steam for sinus relief. Precautions. Avoid high doses. Osha root is potent and should be used in moderation. Pregnant women and those with pre-existing conditions should consult a doctor before use. Now that we've covered this oxygen-boosting herb, let's move on to herb number 3, a well-known remedy that helps clear congestion and improve breathing naturally. Herb number 3, eucalyptus, the mucus-clearing champion. If you've ever used a menthol rub or inhaled the refreshing scent of eucalyptus, you already know how powerful this herb is for clearing congestion and improving breathing. But did you know that eucalyptus has been used for centuries as a natural lung cleanser? What makes eucalyptus so effective? The secret lies in cineole, a compound found in eucalyptus leaves that acts as a natural expectorant, meaning it loosens mucus and helps expel it from the lungs. This makes it incredibly beneficial for people dealing with coughs, colds, sinus infections, and bronchitis. Key benefits of eucalyptus for lung health: clears mucus, breaks down stubborn phlegm and makes it easier to expel, reduces inflammation, helps soothe irritated airways, making breathing easier, boosts the immune system. Cineole has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties that help fight off infections. Opens airways, can provide relief for asthma sufferers by promoting relaxation in the bronchial tubes. How to use eucalyptus for respiratory health: steam inhalation. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to hot water. Cover your head with a towel and inhale deeply. Essential oil diffuser. Use eucalyptus oil in a diffuser to cleanse the air and open nasal passages. Eucalyptus tea, brew. Dried eucalyptus leaves for a natural decongestant. Precautions: do not ingest eucalyptus oil. It is toxic if swallowed in large amounts. Avoid direct application of essential oil to the skin. Always dilute with a carrier oil before use. Not recommended for young children or pregnant women without consulting a healthcare provider. Now that we've covered this powerful lung-cleansing herb, let's move on to herb number 4, a natural immune booster that fights off infections and viruses. Herb number 4, elderberry, the immune-boosting lung protector. When it comes to natural remedies for lung health and immunity, elderberry is one of the most powerful herbs you can use. This dark purple berry has been used for centuries to fight off infections, reduce inflammation, and support overall respiratory health. Why is elderberry so effective? Elderberry is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and antimicrobial compounds that help the body fight viruses, bacteria, and respiratory infections. It's commonly used as a natural remedy for colds, flu, bronchitis, and even sinus infections. Key benefits of elderberry for lung health: fights infections, contains antiviral and antibacterial properties that help combat lung infections. Reduces mucus buildup, helps clear congestion in the lungs and nasal passages. Supports the immune system, loaded with vitamin C, flavonoids, and antioxidants that help your body recover faster from illness. Anti-inflammatory effects, helps reduce swelling and irritation in the respiratory tract, making breathing easier. How to use elderberry for respiratory health: elderberry syrup, a popular option for immune support, taken daily or when sick. Elderberry tea, brew dried elderberries for a soothing, lung-supporting drink. Elderberry capsules or gummies, convenient options for boosting immunity. Precautions: do not eat raw elderberries. They can be toxic. Always use cooked or processed elderberry products. Consult your doctor if you are pregnant, nursing, or have autoimmune conditions. Elderberry is a powerful tool in maintaining lung health and immunity, but we're just getting started. Next up, let's talk about herb number 5, a traditional Chinese medicine herb known for its ability to fight infections and strengthen the lungs. Herb number 5, astragalus, the lung-strengthening immune booster. Astragalus is a powerful adaptogenic herb that has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine to strengthen the body's defenses and improve respiratory health. It's best known for its ability to boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and support lung function. Why is astragalus so effective for lung health? This root contains antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties that help the body fight off respiratory infections, making it an excellent choice for preventing colds, flu, and chronic lung conditions like asthma or COPD. Key benefits of astragalus for lung health: strengthens the immune system, helps the body resist infections that can affect the lungs, supports respiratory function, increases oxygen flow and helps the lungs work more efficiently, reduces inflammation, helps lower airway inflammation, which is crucial for asthma and COPD sufferers. Boosts energy and combats fatigue. Often used to help those with chronic fatigue syndrome regain strength. How to use astragalus for lung health. Astragalus tea. Brew the dried root in hot water for a traditional medicinal drink. Capsules or tinctures. Convenient options. For daily immune support. Astragalus soup. In traditional Chinese medicine, the root is often simmered in soups for added benefits. Precautions. Not recommended for people with autoimmune diseases, as it may stimulate the immune system too much. Consult your doctor if you're taking immunosuppressant medications or have any chronic health conditions. Astragalus is a powerful herb for strengthening the lungs and preventing illness, but we're not done yet. Up next, herb number 6 is a natural expectorant. That helps clear mucus and relieve chronic coughs. Herb number 6, horehound, the natural mucus expeller. If you've ever used a cough drop, chances are you've already benefited from horehound, a powerful natural expectorant that helps clear mucus and ease persistent coughs. This herb has been used for centuries to treat respiratory issues, colds and bronchitis, thanks to its ability to soothe the throat and improve lung function. Why is horehound so effective for lung health? Horehound contains compounds called diterpenes, which work to stimulate mucus production, while also thinning and loosening excess phlegm. This makes it easier for the body to expel congestion naturally. Key benefits of horehound for lung health. Natural expectorant. Helps remove mucus from the lungs and airways. Eases coughs and throat irritation. Acts as a natural cough suppressant. Supports lung detoxification. Helps clear out pollutants and toxins that may be trapped in the respiratory system. Rich in antioxidants. Reduces inflammation and protects lung tissue. How to use horehound for respiratory health. Horehound tea. Brew dried horehound leaves in hot water to create a soothing, lung-supporting tea. Horehound cough syrup. Many natural cough syrups contain horehound as a key ingredient. Homemade cough drops. Some people make DIY cough drops using horehound, honey, and lemon. Precautions. Avoid high doses. Excessive use may cause nausea or digestive discomfort. Not recommended for pregnant women or individuals with certain heart conditions. Horehound is one of the best natural remedies for persistent coughs and congestion, but we're not done yet. Up next, herb number 7 is a citrus-based powerhouse that helps relieve stress and open up the airways for easier breathing. Herb number 7, bergamot, the stress-relieving lung cleanser. When it comes to relaxing the body and supporting lung function, bergamot is a hidden gem. Known for its citrusy aroma and calming effects, this herb doesn't just help with stress, it also plays a vital role in clearing airways, fighting respiratory infections, and making breathing easier. Why is bergamot beneficial for lung health? Bergamot contains powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties that make it an excellent natural remedy for lung congestion, chronic coughs, and sinus infections. Additionally, its calming effects help reduce stress-related breathing difficulties. Key benefits of bergamot for respiratory health. Opens up the airways, acts as a natural expectorant, helping to clear mucus and congestion. Fights lung infections. Its antimicrobial properties help kill harmful bacteria and viruses. Relieves stress and anxiety. Stress can worsen breathing problems, and bergamot is known for lowering cortisol levels. Supports lung detoxification. Helps cleanse the respiratory system by eliminating toxins and pollutants. How to use bergamot for lung health. Aromatherapy. Add bergamot essential oil to a diffuser or humidifier to help open nasal passages. Steam inhalation. Mix a few drops of bergamot oil into a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel and inhale deeply. Bergamot tea. Brew dried bergamot leaves for a lung-cleansing herbal drink. Precautions. Avoid direct skin. Application of bergamot essential oil without diluting it first. It can cause skin irritation. Not recommended for prolonged sun exposure after application, as it can make the skin more sensitive to UV rays. Bergamot is an excellent lung-supporting herb that also helps reduce stress, but we're not done yet. Up next, herb number 8 is a soothing plant that helps relax the airways and reduce lung inflammation. Herb number 8, lavender, the stress-relieving airway opener. Lavender is widely known for its calming and relaxing properties, but did you know it also plays a crucial role in lung health? This fragrant herb has been used for centuries in herbal medicine to reduce stress, open airways, and fight inflammation in the lungs. Why is lavender beneficial for lung health? One of the biggest issues for people with COPD, asthma, or chronic respiratory conditions is bronchoconstriction, when stress and inflammation cause the airways to tighten, making it difficult to breathe. Lavender helps counteract this by lowering stress hormone levels and relaxing the respiratory muscles. Key benefits of lavender for respiratory health: reduces inflammation, helps ease lung irritation and discomfort, relieves stress-related breathing difficulties, lowers cortisol levels, which can help prevent airway constriction, fights respiratory infections, has antibacterial and antiviral properties that help clear lung infections. Improves sleep quality. Those with lung issues often struggle to sleep. Lavender's calming effects promote deeper, more restful sleep. How to use lavender for lung health: aromatherapy. Add lavender essential oil to a diffuser or inhale directly from a cotton ball to promote easier breathing. Lavender tea. Brew dried lavender flowers for a calming, lung-supporting drink. Steam inhalation. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to hot water and inhale to reduce congestion and relax the airways. Precautions. Some people may have allergic reactions to lavender, so always do a patch test before using lavender oil on the skin. Avoid ingesting concentrated lavender oil, as it can be toxic in high doses. Lavender is an excellent natural remedy for lung relaxation and airway health, but we're not done yet. Up next, herb number 9 is a refreshing, minty herb that's been used for centuries to clear nasal congestion and improve lung function. Herb number 9, peppermint, the cooling airway expander. Peppermint is more than just a refreshing herb. It's a powerful natural remedy for clearing congestion, soothing sore throats, and improving lung function. If you've ever used menthol-based products to relieve a cough or stuffy nose, then you already know how effective peppermint can be. Why is peppermint beneficial for lung health? The key compound in peppermint is menthol, which acts as a natural muscle relaxant that helps open up the airways and make breathing easier. This makes it an excellent choice for people dealing with asthma, bronchitis, sinus congestion, or chronic coughs. Key benefits of peppermint for respiratory health: relaxes the airway muscles, helps expand the bronchial passages for easier breathing, clears nasal and lung congestion. Menthol breaks down mucus and soothes inflammation, fights respiratory infections, contains antibacterial and antiviral properties that help combat lung infections, soothes sore throats, provides a cooling sensation that reduces throat irritation and coughing. How to use peppermint for lung health: peppermint tea. Brew dried peppermint leaves for a soothing and refreshing drink. Steam inhalation. Add a few drops of peppermint oil to a bowl of hot water and inhale deeply. Peppermint chest rub. Many over-the-counter chest rubs contain menthol, but you can also make your own by mixing peppermint oil with a carrier oil. Precautions. Not a substitute for medical bronchodilators. While peppermint can help open airways, it is not a replacement for asthma inhalers. Avoid direct application of concentrated peppermint oil on sensitive areas. It can cause irritation. Peppermint is an excellent lung-cleansing herb that helps you breathe easier, but we have one more powerful herb to go. Up next, herb number 10 is a traditional remedy that has been used for centuries to fight lung infections and soothe respiratory irritation. Herb number 10, mullein, the ultimate lung healer. Rounding out our list is mullein, a traditional herb that has been used for centuries to support lung health and ease respiratory discomfort. Whether you're dealing with chronic coughs, lung infections, or persistent mucus buildup, mullein is one of the most effective natural remedies for clearing and healing the lungs. Why is mullein beneficial for lung health? Mullein contains natural antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect the respiratory system. Its soothing demulcent properties coat the throat and lungs, reducing irritation and helping expel mucus. Key benefits of mullein for respiratory health: clears mucus from the lungs, acts as a natural expectorant, helping to break down and remove excess phlegm. Fights respiratory infections, contains antibacterial and antiviral properties that help combat colds, bronchitis, and even pneumonia, soothes irritated airways, helps reduce lung inflammation and eases chronic coughing, supports overall lung function, improves oxygen intake and helps the lungs work more efficiently. How to use mullein for lung health. Mullein tea. Brew dried mullein leaves for a gentle yet powerful lung-cleansing drink. Mullein tincture, a concentrated extract that can be added to water or juice. Mullein steam therapy. Add dried mullein leaves to hot water and inhale the steam to loosen congestion. Precautions. Some people may experience allergic reactions, especially if they have sensitivities to plants in the same family. Always, strain mullein tea properly, as the tiny leaf hairs can cause throat irritation. Mullein is a powerful and time-tested remedy for lung health and mucus removal, making it an excellent final addition to this list. But before we wrap up, let's go over a quick summary and a few important final thoughts. Millions of people around the world struggle with respiratory issues, whether it's chronic cough, mucus buildup, asthma, COPD, or seasonal allergies. The good news? Nature has provided us with powerful herbs that can help cleanse, protect, and strengthen the lungs. In this video, we covered 10 of the best herbs for lung health, each with unique benefits. Ginseng reduces inflammation and improves lung function. Osha root enhances oxygen circulation and clears congestion. Eucalyptus, a natural expectorant that loosens mucus. Elderberry boosts immunity and fights respiratory infections. Astragalus strengthens the immune system and reduces inflammation. Horehound, a powerful natural cough suppressant. Bergamot helps open airways and reduces stress-related breathing issues. Lavender relaxes the airways and eases lung inflammation. Peppermint clears congestion and improves airflow. Mullein soothes the lungs and removes stubborn mucus. Each of these herbs has been used for centuries to support respiratory health and help people breathe easier. However, always remember that while these natural remedies can be beneficial, they shouldn't replace medical treatment for serious conditions. If you have a chronic lung disease or any health concerns, consult your doctor before trying new herbal remedies. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these herbs have you tried? Which one are you most excited to test out? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and allows us to keep bringing you valuable health content. For more in-depth guides on natural lung health, check out our website, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay healthy and take care.